Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a subpage in your Canva website. So a subpage is, for example, here, you have a normal website here, and then there's a subpage down here, which in my case, I'm going to make it a text with a hyperlink that'll lead onto another page. So the way I'm going to do this is first off, I'm going to make a normal website. I'm going to do something like this. Oh, never mind, bro. I'm going to do something like this, for example, right? And I'm going to make a new text and I'm gonna call it a heading here. And I'm gonna name it about us, for example. About us. There you go. And I'm going to put it all the way down here. I'm going to make it a little smaller. I'm going to give it a white color. There you go. Great. Now, the preparation we need for our main website stays at here. Now we need to make a new website. Let's go back to the open menu and then let's create a design and it'll be a website. And this is our About Us page. And for this, I'm going to do this, right? And this is going to be our About Us page. So, About Us. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to move this up. And I'm going to about us, and I'm going to copy and paste this so it could simulate a about us section. I'm gonna delete the rest of the elements. Going to delete this. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. So this is a pure about us section. Gonna center it right there. Now, once that's done, we need to publish this website. So let's click on this, publish. Now it's been published. Make sure to click on Resize on mobile and then click on Publish Website. Now it'll be publishing, so give it a tiny bit second. Preparing your design. Give it a second. There you go. Now our website is published. Now let's copy this. This is the link to our subpage. Now let's exit out. Let's go back. Now let's go back to our main website. And the About Us text, we're gonna be giving it a hyperlink, right? So the way we're gonna be doing this, we're gonna click on it. We're gonna be clicking the three dots here. And let's give it a link like this. For it, let's just paste the website we had earlier. And then let's click on done. And now it's a hyperlink, right? But that's all. Now let's publish this website as well. Let's click on publish website. It'll say preparing our design. So give it a tiny second. It's done. Let's visit our website. Now this is our website, right? And there's this subpage here. Let's click on it. And we'll be redirected to our About Us site right here.